welcome to my place. Today I'd like to bring you down on a luxurious home tour of our home in the palace here in the romantic Venice. Let's go! It's actually just the home for the week. Shh. The first place that you come in here is the foyer or hallway area. It's super cute, decorated with a lot of historical charm. If you see on the wall, there's the scone with a lot of tree leaves. I'm not the expert for the term, but they're gorgeous. And look at the wall. It's all the different art for feathers. Feathers everywhere. Now, andiamos! Follow me along and please come and join me in the living room. Okay, so before we go in there, let's take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. We're going to enter back in time to the 16th century to a fancy ballroom. I'm excited. You? Super cool. So a lot of chairs and arts. It's like you can host more than 20 people in this place. And then a beautiful chandelier, lovely windows. Then on the other side is the table for casual at-home dining, if that's a concept that exists in the old times. It's breakfast time here in the palace. So today for breakfast we have mozzarella, tomato and salad. The mozzarella was actually frozen last night, so let's see how it goes. And then we have boiled eggs. Simple and easy. And then here, if you're interested to have some afternoon espresso, tiramisu, cannoli, then it's a dessert afternoon tea area. You can also pick the day bed if you want to take a little nap and enjoy a great Italian nap time. And finally, back up here is the amazing, adorable chandelier. Alright, so now let's go to room number 1. Oh, hello! Here's the fun fact. So the interesting part is that the palace used to be huge and you may have several members at home and also the servant. Therefore, there are so many doors and exit or entrance. But nowadays, because the palace are converted into apartment units, so even though the doors are still here for the historical reserve, but you can't really go over to the other side because on the other side it's the neighbors. So this is the outside of the palace, the place where we live, and as you can see when you go in there, it's now divided into several different apartments. So there's 1, 2, and on the other side there's 3. And here is a layout of how it used to be. Speaking of places in the palace that was of historical usage, but now it's just for decoration purpose. Now follow me and let's check out upstairs. Come. Uh-oh. So the upstairs is actually not in existence anymore. It's once again converted to the apartment upstairs, and now it's used for storage purpose. And now we're going into the bedroom area. It's small, cozy, but really, really cute. And the decor. And in the old times, there's candle everywhere. Good morning. Let's move on to the bathroom. By the way, this is outside. So from the window, you can really look at the entire Venice. Okay, so now that's going to the bathroom. The bathroom is actually okay. So we'll do a very quick tour. Continuing the old world charm theme, there's carpet everywhere, but with a modern washer, dryer, and a small shower place. Okay, that's enough. It's like a maze. Every floor has a different layout.